Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. It's good to see you guys. It's good to have you back. Good morning, pandas. It's been nice coming back to stream. It's been real nice. It's been real good. Pandas. We're already up 400 pandas. You already know why. Big Mama. Look how small this Big Mama is on the NQ. I'm going for 5 points on NQ. I'm going for a 1-to-1 on NQ, and it's like, it pops. I don't know. Maybe I need more because it takes my runner out. I don't know. Am I looking for 20 points? I don't know. But still up 400 pandas with one Big Mama. And we're doing a 1-to-1, so don't forget. If I lose 400. But if I win, I gain 400, which is better than what we had before, which is it was a 2-to-1 risk reward. But this is a 1-to-1, so even better, in my opinion. Pandas, top left of your screen. Where are we on our journey? About 2.5K. We're almost to 3,000. I think once we hit 3,250, we're halfway there, and maybe we'll celebrate. Well, today is Wednesday. Should we? Shall we? Dare we? Whiskey Wednesday? It's been a long time. What should our goal be, pandas? I mean, it gotta be at least 100 likes. At least 100 likes, right, pandas? I can't sell for less than that. Pandas! 100 likes! Get some of that whiskey. It's been a while. Whiskey Wednesday. I just call this Whiskey Wednesday. Getting crushed though, pandas, on the daily chart. Daily chart's getting clobbered. It's gonna be a huge gap on the 5-minute chart. But I don't think it's gonna go that far. You know what I mean, pandas? You know what I mean? I don't think it's really gonna go that far. What's our level right now, pandas? 2028.4 on the daily. 2028.4. Whoa! Did we hit the 2028.4? 2028. Oh, we didn't quite hit the 20 EMA, but we're like all the way down here, pandas. All the way down here. 2028.4. What a move down overnight, pandas. I mean, that's incredible. That move down is actually incredible. Wowzers. That's overnight session 2, pandas. Any news? No news today either. That's pretty interesting. Our next news will be tomorrow. Unemployment claims. We could see some movement there. But daily chart, I mean, pretty much expecting us to hit the 20 EMA at this point. Sets us up for a nice second entry long. I mean, the thing is, like, are we still on trend on the daily chart? What's our trend right now? What's our trend line? What's our trend line look like? I guess something like this, where it hits the top a couple times. Is that what we're seeing here now, pandas? $5,000 tick chart. We're setting ourselves up for a nice second entry long. By the way, candles, candle markers, order entry markers always on, pandas. 100% transparent. You can see all my trades. Never hide them. Pandas. It's good to be back. Did I tell you that yet? It's our first week back. It's been, or second week back, but it's been great. It's been great, pandas. It's been good. I'm liking the NQ. What can I say, pandas? I like the Nascraq. Once you Nascraq, can't go back. Pretty solid channel here. Could double bottom though. Pandas. Bill 7. Scalp that like button. We got Whiskey Wednesday going on. 100 likes. Yours truly will pop open some whiskey. Hugh, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Make sure you drop that GM in the chat. Scalp that like button. Let's get to the 100 likes today. Can we do it, pandas? Can we be like Jesus and multiply our likes? Multiply. What's going on? I mean, we crushed the weekly, right? This is the weekly low. Oh, sorry, this is the daily low. Oh, I don't have weekly on here. No wonder. Oh. Okay, making a new low here. Very close to making a new low. Unfortunately, I want to get in like a position here, but I don't think we're going to be able to before the new low is created. So new low is created here. So I mean, we're making new lower lows, lower highs. Market about to open in 1 minute. Sitting on a pause. What's our level on the daily 20 EMA? 2026.6. These numbers are so large, it's hard to remember. 202.66. Oh, we already hit it, pandas. We're at the 20 EMA on the daily chart. We're going to open right on it. Interesting. Are we going to just rocket off of it? I wouldn't be surprised if we did, but right now we're pretty strong downtrend. Like the daily, I'll just mark it here with this. Right now it's 202.66. Right, that's our 20 EMA on the daily chart. Market opens in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A blast off. Huge gap. 5-minute chart. Goodness gracious, look at this gap. Daily chart opening basically at the 20 EMA. Got a little drip down right at the beginning. Probably some stop orders being triggered. But I wouldn't be surprised if he gets caught by a bunch of limit orders. Limit order buys here. First touch on the 20 EMA in a while. Or we rip through it. I don't know. Right. First touch on the 20 EMA on the daily chart since May. Since May, pandas. Actually, sorry, since June. This is the last time we touched it. Last time we touched the 20 EMA on the daily chart, and now we are touching it again. It's been about a month and a half.
10,000 tick trap.
10,000 tick trap. Ah. I gotta change that soundbite to 5,000 tick trap. Second entry short. I don't like it. Signal bar is ugly. Second entry short. I mean, we're off our trend line. Couldn't be the worst. I wish we had a better signal bar, though. It won't be the worst trade, but right on the daily 20 EMA, pandas. Right on the daily 20. We do trigger it. Ooh. Dare I? Oh. Dare I even? In this... Oh my god, pandas. I just got murdered on that trap. It moved so quick. You know, if you took that second to short, you're actually safe. I took the trap with a small retracement, but got absolutely murdered there. I'm dead. I'm dead, pandas. Goodness gracious, that was crazy. Making a new low. We're just on a downtrend, huh? Market doesn't care if we're on a 20 MA. We're right on the trend line. That was risky. That was risky. But we're on a daily support with a trap trade. I'll attempt it. I'll at least attempt it one time. You know, right? You know, pandas, at least one time. We were up 400. Now we're down 400, pandas. 800 swing right there. $800 swing just like that. Goodness gracious. Hopefully we can make it up. But I risked more than I had to there. Jeez. Pushing down with the trap to the downside. Trap fails. Technically didn't fail yet. Now it fails. Actually, your failure's up here. You still haven't failed yet. I'm thinking you are going to, but okay, now you fail. Second entry short here again, pandas. Second entry short again off the 20 EMA. I mean, we're clearly underneath the 20 EMA here. I'll try it, I guess.
Target filled.
Okay, first target filled. Easy peasy. Can we make a new low? No new low. I wanted more than that, but it moves too fast, pandas. I think I need a bigger buffer between my orders. You know what I mean, pandas? It can't be 5 points. It has to be like, my stop loss is too small too. Man, I guess 10 points on both sides. It's actually insane. It's just I need more room. I need more room because the market moves so quick. Okay. We may get our balance here off the 20 EMA now. Like, that's such a strong move. 2 strong bull bars, any other high. Higher low here, possibly. Do I like the higher low? I'll wait for the second entry long or Pikachu trade. Or fail second entry short, whichever comes. Right, we want the second entry long or the Pikachu. Get higher low. This is why we wait for the trap trade. So we have a potential trap trade here, which I like at this point. If we get it, I don't know if we're going to get it. The market may have already chosen to go up here. But I'm going to be patient here, pandas. I'll be very patient here. Okay, this might be it. It's high. It's very high. I have to take it like this. Okay. We're in this trade. A little more space now for me to move my entries around. I can get obliterated here as well, pandas. I hope not. It's basically a trap trade here. Big move up. Looking for another push up here. I'll take the hit if I get it. Oof. That's crazy. That's actually kind of crazy. I'm just in this trade. I'm going to just hold it for this. Could have came out break even, I guess, if I didn't like it. Yeah, looks bad. Should reverse it here. Jeez, pandas. That's tricky. That's really tricky. Even second entry long triggers doesn't give us much. Alright, we're in a downtrend. Don't fight the downtrend, I guess. Or turn to consolidation or something. I don't know, pandas. I really thought we could get a nice push up there. Down 1,000, pandas. Let's not bust these accounts, please. That's all I ask for. Let's not bust these accounts, please. New low being created, probably. Looks wacky. Jeez Louise. Looking for a new low, looks like. It looks like we consolidated here and made a high and now make a new low for the symmetry. Blue box basically here. Keep making new lows though. Maybe the market truly doesn't care about the 20 EMA on the daily chart. Right, broke down, broke out with 2 failures. And most likely going to turn to a trend soon, in my opinion. Pandas, I'm gonna need your likes. I'm gonna need your likes right now. I'm hurting. I'm gonna need some of that whiskey. Big outside bar on the 5-minute chart. Right, big down, then up and down. I could look to swing back up into this blue box if I get a setup. High or low, maybe. But man, I got obliterated right there. Jeez. I really thought we were going to go up. The thing about the NQ or the Nascraq is that you get a lot of slippage. A lot of slippage. I rarely get out at my actual stop. It's just too volatile and the liquidity is not there. Ooh, okay. Lower high. I mean, that's a huge risk. I'm not taking that risk. Coming back up, maybe. High or low here. I'll take the trap trade at this point. I'm playing extra safe because I'm down 1,000. Threshold wise down 1,400. But since we're taking 1-to-1 trades, if I gotta win a couple, it'll make up for it very quickly, but still that's pretty brutal. High or low here. Not yet. Might go double top. No, high or low. Again, I'll take the trap here if we get it. Coming back up into our trading range. But we need a trap trade here first. It could just be the high or low that gets it. I'm gonna be patient here though, pandas. Second entry short. Does it want to push down hard? I mean, I can't take the trap. Oof. All right. I thought we were in trading range. Big down, big up, big down. Ends up being a good trade going short here. It's just hard because when you're in a trading range like this, you just don't know. You just don't know when this is going to happen. Okay. Pushing hard. Decently hard. Maybe I gotta stop thinking about reversals here and just start going with trend. Just start going short. My only winner so far has been a short trade. My two losers have been long trades right here and right here. So I'm 1 and 2 right now. I mean, I can't go short here. This might just be a strong downtrend from now on, but I can't go short here. It's too far with 20 May. If I am, I gotta really scalp it. Gotta go for really small. All right. Bears lose money there. The higher time frame, you can really get a sense of what's happening here. Spike and channel, spike and channel. Hard to draw this channel because the channel, the rate changes here. Could still be very much in a downtrend because of that. Let me draw the same channel on the let's just use this for now. Again, bears may be losing money there. I'm gonna attempt one more long. if we get it. I don't know if we will, but I want to attempt one more long here. Okay, high or low. 20 EMA acting very, very clearly as a resistance. Should I go long? Do not copy my trades. As you can tell, I'm down 1K. 2 losers, 1 winner. And my winner, I should have made more money, to be honest. I should have made more money than that. It's almost a 1-to-1, but I could have made a little bit more. My runner didn't go. Yeah, I could have made a double. I mean, I'm not going to mess with that as long as it keeps making new lows. It's you can't go long here. You need to establish an uptrend here. I don't have a setup there, right? It's not a setup. If I reset this as a second entry, yep. So that goes one tick underneath this pivot low. So actually reset the counts. All right. All right. Just sitting on pause, waiting for something good, waiting for something juicy here, something that pops out, and then you say like, I can't skip that trade. We're waiting for that feeling. You know what I mean, pandas? I know you've all felt it. You've all had that feeling saying, oh, I gotta take this trade, win or lose. I'm happy to take it. We all know that setup. We all know that feeling. We're waiting for that feeling, pandas. Good morning, guys. Lou the Writer, good morning. Spider Monkey. Good morning, Lie. Welcome. Andrew, NJ, Mawashi, welcome, guys. Thanks for joining. Hey, we have a whiskey challenge today. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. We're gonna try to get to 100 likes today. I'm gonna need it too. Down 1,000. Well, it's up 400, now down 1,000. Jeez Louise, I was better off just not taking any trades. Big push down. I mean, should I just keep going short here? Higher low. Big bear bar ending on its low. No follow through. Could potentially be a bear trap. Give me a Pikachu trade. I'll take it. Jeez Louise, I'll take it. It's a second entry short, but it's in the middle of a trading range. Skipping it. I'd rather take the opposite. Right, the failure. If we get it. Inside bar. Breaks to the upside. Being patient here for my setup. That fail second entry short is what I'm looking for. We may not get it, but we'll see. We're right in the middle of a trading range, so sit on our pause. Okay. Ooh, almost triggers it. Almost triggers it, but you can see limit orders being bought here. Are we in a limit order market is the question now. Okay, triggers that. Like I said, I'm looking for the trap. Okay. Almost triggered me. Pushing pretty hard down. It looks sketchy. It looks like a limit order market. We're entering a limit order market here. I'm gonna attempt this though. Let's see what happens in this trade. Gets me again, huh? All right. With slippage. All right. Don't go long, pandas. It's a limit order market as well. This is like a trappers double trap market. You're getting double trapped everywhere, right? Trap triggers, double trap with the bias to the bear side. So any long trap is getting murdered. I'm getting obliterated right now, pandas. It hurts, pandas. It hurts. Trust me. All right, don't go long. I guess that's the lesson today. Jeez. I'm sorry, market. I'm sorry. If you don't allow me to go long, can I go short? When can I go short is the question. Anything, everything? No, outside bar reversal. Skip. Painful, pandas. Make sure you scalp that like button. We got that whiskey challenge today. 100 likes. Let's get there, pandas. Hooey. All right, limit order market. I might as well trade with limit orders now. I might as well. At least on the top side, it's limit order market. Harder to capture the limit orders on the downside. Right, the long limit orders is hard to capture just because we've seen big movements to the downside. Market's a little bit confused, waiting for something. Right, definitely a limit order market right now. Right, the moment this triggered beneath there, it got bought up. But the question is, like, even if it shoots up like this, you just don't know. When limit orders are up here now, just waiting, waiting and waiting. Could be a trading range as well. I don't know, pandas. Okay, pushes higher. Okay, now pushes up. This is the move I wanted earlier. bottom of the trading range back to the top of the trading range here. Big bull bar. No follow through yet. Okay, big push up. Second entry long, triggering on the 5-minute chart. About to. We're still in this channel though, pandas. We're still clearly in this channel. Trading range. Okay, pushing up to the top of the channel. Second entry long triggers on the 5-minute chart. I try to capture the reversals too early here. Okay, bouncing off our trend line. Just limit orders everywhere right now. High or low? As long as this trend line's here, I can't take a long trade. Bounces off our trend line again, but could be potentially bullish. Need a little more evidence here. Hard to take a second entry long because obviously bouncing off our trend line in a trading range still. Okay. Second entry long. Just a lower high. I mean, the failed second entry long, pandas. That's the trade, right? That has to be it. The failed second entry long. That has to be the trade, no? Ooh. Unfortunately, it doesn't give me a setup. Top of the trading range back to the bottom of the trading range. I don't know. Should I just buy here? Get back to the top? Should I take the next reversal up, pandas? Is it crazy to do so? Whoa. Why is the risk so large? I hate that. Oh. What's going on? I think this might be one of the trades I'll actually reverse if it does trigger. Nah. I'll keep it. Back to the top of the trading range, pandas. I might as well try to trade this trading range. We've bounced off for so many times. We die, we die. Oof. Still closing underneath the 20 MA. That's not a good sign for us. This could be continuation on the downtrend here. Ooh, we really don't want that to trigger. We really don't want that to trigger, pandas. I'll tell you that much. Well, I'll tell you, you really don't want that to trigger. It looks like it's about to trigger here, pandas. We'll just take the hit. We're going to play the trading range. We're going to try. I'm okay losing this. Ooh, another close underneath the 20 MA. Looking sus. More and more sus every day. Every second. Pandas. What do we do here? Hold? Hold! No! What are you doing? Why are you popping back down? What is that? Ha! Ha! I could protect my capital I could protect it. I think I gotta take the risk if I want it. I gotta take the risk of... Oh, that looks bearish now. Ooh, that looks really bearish, pandas. That's not looking good for us. Oh my god. No. No, 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 no. Don't you dare. Ah! Pandas! What is this? What's going on? Ah! That looked really bearish. The moment this candle closed and it broke, I was like, all right. My fate is sealed. My fate is just absolutely sealed right there. Goodness gracious, pandas. I should just waited for that setup. What in the world? I saw the trading range. Decided to try it one time. Just one time, pandas. Man, this is brutal. Absolutely brutal here. I guess we're going down. There it is. One more big push down. I mean, this could grind down forever, I guess. Another new low. Jeez Louise. Woo! It's melting. It's melting, pandas. It's melting. It's melting. It is surely melting. I mean, man, I should have reversed that, huh? I should have reversed it, pandas. I just didn't like the fact we were in a trading range. I don't like to go short on the bottom of a trading range. Is that too much? Is that too bad? Is that too terrible? Well, we're clearly in a downtrend as well, so I mean, you're likely, if you're going to break out, you're going to break to the downside. Strong bear bar right now forming on the 5-minute. I guess I'll go short. Next short setup. I mean, even the 5-minute looked very, right, choppy. 1, 2, 3, 4 bear bars in a row, but ends up being like a bear flag, I guess. Just monster move down right now, pandas. No stopping it. I may take a small scalp if this bar closes strong bearish. It's just dripping, dripping. Nothing's stopping it. It's gonna keep making new lows, pandas. What a flush. What a flush, pandas. I mean, we have a descending channel, and it's breaking down the descending channel. Oftentimes, it tries to find balance in this dosimetry, right? If you have a breakdown like this, you oftentimes go to the other side. Right? Have an undershoot back to the overshoot. Happens often. Nothing tradable here. Maybe just limit order sells. That's what we're seeing. People just selling limit orders everywhere. Ah, pandas. It's painful. It's painful. I want to win my next trade. I'm gonna make a small scalp, get some confidence back. I may just sell at the close of this bar, right? The 5-minute bear bar. Is absolutely incredible. That's crazy. This bearish move right now. I don't know. No entries, all first entries and terrible signal bars. Any pullback will be small right now. Okay, very cool. I mean, it is what it is. Daily chart. I mean, daily chart's just a little wick here, maybe. Push back up here. Bear bar was bought up immediately. Second entry short forming here. Second entry short. Couldn't get in. Triggered too quick. Please don't tell me this is where actually traps. It reverses. Oh, I really don't want to see reversal here. It would be my luck. Where it reverses here. Should we look for a new low? I'll take my 1-to-1. I'll take my 1-to-1. Alright.
Target filled.
Target filled. Okay, we want to trade pandas. We're going in the right direction now. We're going the right direction.
Target filled.
Alright, I made the 2-to-1. We made a little more than 2-to-1. I mean, pandas, we made 1K. We made 1K on that trade. I'll take it. I mean, we need to win something here. We're still down 1,500, but we need to win something, right, pandas? We need to win something. It's a second entry short. Super strong downtrend. And the 5-minute had a strong bearish bar. I was thinking follow through, which is what happened. Is what was happening. Could have got more, I guess. But we're so overextended at this point. You know, it's a matter of time till we get a big reversal here. Nascraq, turtle toes. Yep. We're doing Nascraq, so 1K tick, because the 2K tick chart on the Nascraq, the candles are too large. It's too much risk for me. So actually, the 1,000 tick is actually an appropriate amount of risk. But it's crazy. It's like 30. They're like 15 to 30-second candles. Even quicker. Maybe even like 10-second candles. But we're volatile right now. I mean, we're kind of crashing. Kind of crazy. Clearly underneath the 20 make breaking this trend line. I mean, that's a beautiful second entry short, right? Off the trend line, also off our 20 MA. You keep making lower lows, pandas, right? The downtrend's not done until it's done. It's truly not done until it's done. Give me 1 or 2 more trades like the one I just had. Please. I mean, I can't. Can I go short here, pandas? Outside bar reversal, trap trade, bottom of the channel. I mean, it might work out. It's risky. But as things are going, I mean, we're just any shorts winning right now. So, quite possibly. I wouldn't be surprised if this works out for a nice scalp. Basically, anything short right now, I'm not surprised if it makes a scalp. It's just unfortunate I'm not part of it. Sell anything and everything. That's the plan, huh? Could have carried my runner through further. My runner was a 1 to 2 risk reward. Okay, another strong bear bar on the 5-minute chart. Any pullback you're thinking will be small, unless it V bottoms, right? Yep, still 21 EMA. All the price action rules are the same. Nothing changes. Turtle toes. The ES is too slow. The EMINI is just too slow, especially in the summertime. So this way, since I only trade for like 1 hour in the morning with you guys, I need something that is a little more volatile. Nascraq. We were destined to be together. Yep, 21 EMA. Well, I'm using 20 EMA, Albrook style. 21 is more like Mac. They're virtually the same though. Pandas, make sure you scalp that like button. Should I make the challenge to 50 likes? Would that inspire you guys? Would that encourage you to scalp that like button? I'm still down 1,500 pandas. I gotta still make up some more stuff here. Do I want to go short? I mean, I guess. I still need a good setup. It's all first entry so far. Okay, first entry triggers here. Inside bar. Oh, eye pattern. Okay. I mean, I should just go short everything, huh? Why am I even thinking about it? Why am I thinking about it? It's like doing a backflip. If you think about it, you fail. But if you just do it, I take that back. I don't want anyone to go out there and start doing backflips and breaking their necks. But it's like when you just trust in the physics of this world. I remember the first time doing a gainer off like a deck into water, like into a lake. I was so scared. And when I thought about it, I couldn't do it. But then something told me just to trust the physics of the gainer. And I just jumped and I tucked my legs in, and then voila, ended up doing my first gainer. It's just like that. It's just like, you just gotta trust, tuck in, and just do it. That means, pandas, we're gonna go short here. We're gonna just tuck in and go for it. I take it all back. I take it all back, pandas. Don't do it. Don't do the gainer. Apparently, there are more than 21 million millionaires in USA. I mean, nowadays, just having a house, you probably become a millionaire. Right? Millionaires is like all your assets, liquid and non-liquid, equaling over a million. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised. Well, isn't the US like the second or third most populous place in the world? It's number 3 after India and China, pandas. I mean, you're talking about you have 339 million people. Oh my goodness, we're not even close to China and India. They smoke us. What in the world? If basically China is like Zerglings. Or India's like Zerglings. Let's say India's like Zerglings. Of course, USA is Terran. I don't know if I'd call China Protoss, but you know what I mean. I wouldn't call them Protoss. But India surpasses China. And I feel like China's so much bigger than India. Whoa. I don't believe it. The 3rd most populous country in the world is, or the 4th right after the United States, is Indonesia? That's hard to believe, pandas. That's kind of hard for me to believe. Risk is small here. I'll take this. Risk is small, pandas. I'll take it. It's a trap trade. This is accurate. Risk is so small, pandas. Let's look for a new high. Oh, why am I going long on this super strong downtrend? Ooh, easiest trade of my life. Trading is so easy, pandas. Trading is the easiest thing I've ever done. Obviously go long here. Obviously. Hadouken!
Target filled.
Let's go. No joy on runner though. No joy on runner, unfortunately. We're down 1,000, pandas. We're down 1,000. We're getting there. We're slowly climbing our way out of this hole. Easy peasy. $21 million millionaires. That's like almost 10%, like 18%. I don't believe it. I think that's too much. You're telling me like 10% of the pop of the U.S. are millionaires? I don't know. Maybe. I wish I was one of those. I mean, I wish I was one of those 10%. What can I say? I wish I was. All right, pandas. Any pullback was going to be small. I'm glad we made that new high, though. Jeez. The risk was small, so I decided to take it. But it was risky. I got to think of another word. Less likely. Or not likely. Or less probable. Right? Because when I say the word risky, it's like interchanged with how big the risk is and also the probability of it working out. Right? If the probability is low, it just takes so long to say probability is low. Unlikely. It's risky and unlikely. Risky would mean, right, the risk is too large. But unlikely means that it probably won't happen. I know oftentimes we'll interchange the two, but there's a difference, right? Between risky and not probable. I guess how many people live in California? Basically everyone in California who has a home is a millionaire. I think it's pretty accurate. Big push up here. What's going on? Expanding pattern. Small, but expanding. Breaking to the upside. The 5,000 tick chart hasn't touched a 20 EMA in a very long time. We may get to it now. And do I think it's a small pullback here? Maybe. I'd like to see it to touch the 20 EMA. I think it's due time. Turtles, I can't do this. I'm losing all my profits. Just control it. Just one contract at a time. NQ. How many people own a home in California is a question. Only about 7 million of California's roughly 40 million residents own their own homes. Wow. That's pretty terrible. That's very terrible. But 7 million? You basically have 7 million people right there that make up some of that 20 million. Half of that 20 million just in California alone. I mean, think about New York too. Right, New York City. About 30% of all NYC households own their own homes in NYC. It's more than I thought, to be honest. There's a California couple that are buying and redoing the house next to my ladies here in Texas. How do you feel about that? How do you feel about that one? The cardboard box, $1 million cardboard box. I mean, second entry long here. Do I like it? It's a lot of wicks. Clearly above the 20 MA. We wanted to touch the trend line also, the 20 MA here. We want to at least touch it. It's a little risky up here. It can work out, but it's a little bit risky in my opinion. Okay. If you took this trade, you lost it. Now we're touching the 20 EMA. And we're also touching our trend line. We got a big bear bar currently forming. Also a bar reversal as well. Second entry short on the 5K chart. Right, good signal bar. Doesn't quite touch the 20 EMA yet. That's a bit wild. Coming right back above the 20 MA here. Right. Oh, eye pattern. Triggers a trap. I don't know. I'm sitting on my pause band. It's a bit confusing, right? Got this big bear bar, big bull bar, big bear bar. It just looks like confusion to me. It looks like it wants to go down now. Triggers a second entry short on the 5K chart. Not the best reaction, right? A little disappointed seeing this bull bar here forming. Closing underneath the 20 MA, you're fine. But if it doesn't, very disappointed in that bar. Okay. Decent push down. I don't know. Let's sit on my pause. It's like all these doji bars, and now you got very overlapping bars. It's just converting to like a limit order market. It means that limit orders could be here waiting as they were here. I just don't have clear market cycle yet. Well, the market cycle is clear. It's a limit order market. But it's not clearly out of this limit order market. Like, if it's in a limit order market, pandas, like, common sense is you gotta trade limit orders. I mean, that's just what you gotta do. It is what it is. No denying that. Okay, decent push up here. Very confusing. Very, very confusing. Very disappointed on the second entry short on the 5K chart. Right, you got second entry short. Good signal bar. That's actually an inside bar. I don't know. You're thinking new high probably be created soon. Fourth push down, maybe? Okay. H4 setup here. H4. Could be it's pushed down now. Back to the bottom of the trading range. Perhaps. I wanted one more new high before going short, to be honest. This could be your push down. Again, limit order market. Limit orders could be waiting here, as they have been. Okay. Feels bearish now. Feels bearish. Keeps making new lows. Keeps making new lows. 1, 2, 3. Wedge bottom now. One, two, three. Right, 3 pushes down. Makes a wedge bottom. Big bear bar ending on its low. No follow through. Not yet, at least. Okay, now some follow through. Okay. Bottom of the trading range. That's what I'm thinking. That's the first target I'm thinking. Bottom of this trading range. How do I get there, though? How do we get there? That's the question. One more push down. Is that what it takes? Limit order market still, in my opinion. Okay. I don't know, market. You know, pandas. What's the market doing? I don't know what the market's doing. Another push down. Could get to the bottom of the trading range here with that push. A bit confusing for me. I'm just waiting. I'm waiting for something more clear. Okay. Still haven't touched the 20 MA on the 5K chart, but I mean that's your. We still haven't hit a measure move yet on the 5K. We probably will, but we still haven't yet, technically. Okay. Coming back to the top of the trading range here. Doesn't quite touch the bottom yet. Very close, but doesn't quite touch it. 5K chart does touch the bottom of the trading range. What a push up. What a push up. To me, still feels like trading range. But probably looking for a new high, in my opinion. Maybe the higher low I'll be interested in going long, but... Or second entry long even? I don't know. Looks a bit choppy. Okay, higher low. Maybe. If I'm patient, second entry long is better. Okay, outside bar reversal. Not interested in that. Some people were, but not me. Big bear bar right after that move. That's why you gotta be patient, pandas. Gotta be patient. Almost want to go long here with a limit order. Almost want to go long with a limit order here. Like the break of that. I almost want to just go long right there. And come back up. Thinking we are in a trading range. Ain't not quite hit the top of it yet. This might be a mistake though. Mistakes were made. Ah, couldn't get it quick enough to get out break even. Looks like I'm gonna take a hit here. Darn. It's unfortunate. Yeah. I mean, if I already... Oh, am I being greedy? I was greedy, huh? Coming out break even here. If I can!
Target.
Okay, I'm out break even. Whoo! I missed it by like 1 tick, pandas. Goodness gracious, I was like 1 tick before getting stopped out there. The stop is 10 points. I mean, I thought we were a limit order market, so I tried my luck with a limit order. Goodness gracious. That was scary. I'm so scared. Hey, pandas, scalp that like button. Let's get to 100 likes. I know there's only 50 of you, but I believe you guys can multiply. I believe. Second entry short here now, pandas. Second entry short here, right in the middle of a trading range, though. Very confusing. Triangle forming. Which way will it break out? Is the question. I wasn't too off about my limit order trade there. Wasn't too off on it. Just got a little too scared. Okay, maybe that new high is created. I could have stayed in the trade, pandas. Why did you guys convince me to get out? I'm good. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I take responsibility for all my trading. Pandas. But what a trade if I stayed in that, huh? I was like a tick from getting stopped out. Literally, I think a tick. Entered here, 10-point stop loss. I was half a point away from getting stopped out on the NQ, right? On a $20,000 product. I was half a point of getting stopped out. That's something to behold, no? The tick tickler. That should be like a villain, a arch nemesis name. The tickler. It's like the Riddler, but he's the tickler. All he does is tickle your ticks. Trap trade, but we're in a triangle, so nothing's viable at the moment. It's like quantum physics, where you're in a triangle, you just gotta sit on your paws. The tickler. Market just went into full consolidation right now. Full blown triangle. We'll wait for it though. Ooh, second entry long though. Again, none of these setups are going to be good until we get out of this triangle. Second entry long. I mean, it has a potential to be a really strong move up. It does. Wow. That's why you wait. That's why you sit on your paws, pandas. Jeez Louise, what is this nonsense? You got stopped out, right? You enter, you get stopped out right there. Unless your stop loss is down here. Popping up now, again. Okay. Pop up. Pops up here a little bit. Okay. Could be a nice reversal here. I don't know though. Maybe just get back to the top of the trading range, if anything. Okay, strong bull bar ending on its high. We could be breaking out here, pandas. What a tricky trade, right? The trap takes you out. Even the second entry long takes you out. It's very tricky. Very tricky in my opinion. Two strong bull bars ending on their highs. Follow through? No follow through. Not yet, at least. Ooh, should I just go long? It's the first touch of the 20 EMA in a long time on the 5K chart. I'll tell you that much. Back to the bottom of the trading range, perhaps? That would be a crazy trade if I went short here. This move up is so strong. I need a little more evidence. Give me a lower high. Fail second entry long. Some better setup than this. Strong bear bar, though. Bit curious to see what happens here. Big pop up. Ooh. Are we gonna reverse everything that we've done so far? Is this a reversal pattern? It looks more like a wedge. Like getting rid of this triangle now. Like looking at this. Huh. We're so far beneath the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. Whoops. 5-minute chart. So beneath the 20 EMA. Like so far. Right? 20 EMA here, so far from the close. Huge gap. Kind of making up for all of this nonsense that happened the last couple weeks. Okay. Second entry short? Possibly. Second entry short? Possibly. 5-minute chart, right? Second entry short? Possibly. Bounce off the 5,000 tick, right? First entry off of the 5,000 tick 20 EMA. Could just be following this channel now. Really, I mean, it hits it perfectly, bounces off. I guess you got to respect these trend lines for the moment. Still down 1,000 though, pandas. It hurts. It hurts. Lower high. Maybe the good signal bar, but still, we're kind of in an uptrend now. With these strong bear bars, lower high setup. I don't know. I don't know. Oof. Okay, outside bar reversal. That makes that decision easy. Not taking the outside bar reversal. Okay, we could just be reversing here. Jeez, what a move up. I wish I could make my money back during the stream, but I don't think we're going to have time. I don't think we're going to have time, pandas. Or should I stay on until I become positive today? Should I stream until... If we get to 50 likes, I'll stream until I become positive. Oh, I take that back. I may not become positive today. It might be an all-day stream. 50 likes? That's pretty tough. Come back positive from $1,000. All right, I'll try. 50 likes though? Can you guys do it? All right, if you get to 50 likes, I'll stream until I turn positive. Or end of day. All day stream. Nice little treat for you guys. You're welcome. So I can just short here but above the 20 MA. So I don't think I can take it. But it is top of a trend line, but also in the uptrend. It's all sorts of confusing here. Yeah, I can't definitely not take a short here now. That is too bullish. This could be, if anything, a strong bull move now. If anything. Wow. All right. Pushing up. Are we reversing here, pandas? It's a question. I gotta take the second inch of short on the 5K chart though, pandas. I gotta take that trade. Wow, bounces right off the 20 MA here. Interesting though. Bouncing right off that 20 MA so beautifully. How tempting is this right now? Wow. How tempting is this? No, thank you. Retesting that wick. It's big risk. That's the problem with the 5K chart. The risk is huge. I trade with 2 contracts, I guess. Risk is huge, and the 1K chart doesn't look too bearish right now. Looks almost bullish. Wow, closing above the 20 MA. Interesting though, pandas. The trap does trigger. I'm basically taking a second inch short on the 5K chart. That's what I'm looking for here. I'm taking with only 2 contracts because the risk is huge. Huge. Man, this trap though, I don't know. This looks bullish. Looks so bullish. I can't go short here anymore. Look at that. Jeez. It's quite a long ways down to get to my entry. I kind of hope it doesn't trigger, actually. Not on this bar, at least. Three more candles to finish here. Man, I hope it doesn't trigger on this candle on the 5K. Be an outside bar. I don't like that. I can't control this, though. It is what it is, pandas. It is what it is. Have we just full-blown reversed? I mean, I've seen crazier things happen. I've seen crazier things happen. Pandas. We're at 34 likes. 16 away. You guys, 5 more minutes to get to 16 more likes. I mean, this looks bullish. Should I even look for a short? Jeez, forget it. Forget about it. What am I doing? What's happening right now? Should I just be looking for longs now? What's going on? I guess that trap wasn't the worst. It's also along this trend line and 20 EMA. We're going to get wedged between the 240 SMA soon and the 20 EMA. Okay. Okay. Should I try? It doesn't make sense, pandas. We're above the 20 EMA. It doesn't make sense for me to go short here. Does it? It does trigger beneath above the 20 EMA. It just feels weird because we're above the 20 EMA. I don't like to go short. I don't. Well, it looks like it's going to work out, though, quite nicely now. Hey, I don't know. I got to stick to my guns there. I'm sticking to my guns. Right? I'm not going to go short when we're above the 20 EMA like that. It just sets us up for a trap too nicely. Second short does trigger on the 5-minute now. Are we going to drip? Are we going to flush? We're flushing here, pandas. Bouncing off our trend line, perhaps. Okay. Ripping through the trend line. Jeez. Ended up being a good trade, but just how do you know? How would you know, pandas? How would you know? Like, you're above the 20 EMA, 5,000 tick chart. I can't go short there. I can't. I basically measure myself if I enter a trade or not by if it fails, how would I feel? And if that failed, I'll be like, why did I enter that trade? It's simple as that. Like, clearly it's above the 20 EMA. Why would I enter that trade? Clearly. lower high here. I mean, the obvious setup is a second entry short. But if you're eager, you can jump on this lower high on momentum. On one hand, on one paw, I'm not that eager. Did we just lose alike? Goodness gracious. I'll stream until 11, since we're not going to get to 50. I mean, if we can miraculously get to 50, then maybe. I'll stay until I turn positive here. Try to turn green. The lower high. Eager. I'm eager to jump in, but that ain't it. That ain't it, Pandas. That ain't the setup. It's not that one. Trust me. It's not that guy. You're not that guy. Strong bear bar ending on its low on the 5-minute chart. Pretty much expecting follow through here, making new low. That's what you're expecting right now. But what will happen? What will actually happen is the question. Ooh, bear bars ending on their lows. I also want to go short anywhere, everywhere. Darn, it is what it is. I mean, you gotta wait for your setup. If you don't get a setup, it is what it is. Straight move down. It's a monster move down, second entry short, 5K chart, and it was above the 20 MA. It's just one of those days, Pandas. One of those days. Really wanted to set up there. Didn't get anything, though. Now we're getting a slight pullback. Too far away from 20 EMA now. I'm looking for a second entry short. Simple as that. If I don't get it, I don't get it. This is too far away from 20 MA. I can't go short here. Even though there's momentum going down, I simply cannot just go short here. I've lost so many trades taking traps that are far away from a 20 MA. I've lost too many trades like that. I'm just stay away from them. The trap has to be close to a resistance. That's the key for most of the trades, right? It needs to be close to a support or resistance going the direction you need to go. All right, I mean, the trap does work out, of course, when I skip it. But, you know, you got to think of EV, right? Long-term expected value. If you take that trade every time, will you come out profitable? I think the answer is no, to be honest. Hit the bottom of the trading range, at least. We could be in Bounce City. We could be in Bounce City. I would need some sort of higher low. Outside bar reversal. Absolutely incredible. H4. Let's see if we break this low. I'm curious. Again, I need some sort of higher low to feel confident here. I mean, yeah, at least a higher low. I mean, you're basically trying to catch a falling knife by just going long here. Not my style. Give me that higher low, please. Bouncing off the 20 EMA so nicely here. Such a strong bull bar. Strong bear bar. Second entry short. Okay. Second entry short, pandas. Might as well try. Might as well try. Unless we're clearly above the 20 MA. Clearly beneath the 20 MA. Ooh, prematurely enter that. I think we're okay though. Reverses maybe immediately. Do I want the trap trade though? Nah, I'll take the hit. I like the second entry short here. Even though the trap trade makes sense too. Yep, reverses on me. Takes me out immediately, outside bar reversal. It is what it is. What can you do? You gotta take that second entry short now. You gotta try. You gotta try. I'm skipping the trap because I feel like it needs to make a new low here. Fortunately, takes me out pretty quickly. Limit order market, really, if you think about it. Trap trade, maybe triggers here. Do I like the trap? I don't. I think the failed trap here. I'll take the failed trap. Wow, that reversal. I've never seen a reversal so quick. Goodness, I won't say never, but that was a quick reversal, pandas. It like literally limit order galore right there. It makes sense to look for a new low here, in my opinion. I could be wrong though. It makes sense to me, but I could be wrong. Could easily be wrong here. Could reverse right back up. As long as we're underneath the 20 MA, I feel okay. Yeah. I don't know. Okay. As long as we're underneath the 20 MA, I feel okay. Last trade of the stream. For sure. For sure. I mean, in that case, might as well look for the new low. Let's make another triangle here. I don't know if I want to stick around on a reversal, though. I don't know if I want to stick around on a reversal. That's the truth. I think my stop loss is appropriate. I'll take the hit. Move on. It feels like it wants to go down. Like one more time. Like basically bear flag. Big push down, bear flag. Okay. Protecting my capital now. It looks like it won't be enough. It looks like it won't be enough. I don't know though, pandas. Ah, it takes me up. I even lose a little bit on that. Why? Why? It is what it is. You know, you gotta just take the appropriate risk for the entire time. I mean, I guess I protect myself. It does reverse big time. I don't like the slippage. I really don't like the Nascraq slippage. I really don't. Still clearly underneath the 20 MA. It could reverse here. I don't know. Might be a good save here. Might be a good, good skunk. Or the worst skunk ever. I don't know. Yeah, down 1,600 pandas. Not the best day. Not the best day, but we're still positive, pandas. We're still positive. We're still positive on our accounts. We're still profitable. Okay, so good skunk at the end. Happy about that, I guess. Now we're pushing up. Oof, I should just buy a higher low. I might look for a higher low here. I might really look for a higher low. This nonsense. Last trade of the stream. Last trade of the stream, pandas. Higher low setup because of the failed continuation. Or this is a bull trap. Goodness gracious, that's ugly. What in the world is this nonsense? That's gross. That's actually gross. What's happening now, pandas? Limit order market. Takes all your stops out and shoots right back down. That's the Nascraq for you. That's the Nascraq for you. Maybe I got too greedy. I think a 1-to-1 was met here. Yeah, I got greedy. A 1-to-1 was met. I should have just got the 1-to-1 and then swung the rest. But I was wanting the whole position to get to the new low. And I paid the price for that greed. It was greediness at the end, huh? Wasn't it, pandas? I could have got my 1-to-1. Now I lost a little bit instead of getting my 1-to-1. Wacky trade. Wackiness going on right now. I hate it. I absolutely hate this. Finally made that new low of the day.
10,000 tick trap.
Okay, big push up. I don't know, pandas. This move feels complete now, right? I got that's 2 pushes down. Such a strong bounce off the 20 EMA though. I got greedy, pandas. I got really greedy. I should have got the 1-to-1. I just saw my profits and I saw my red and I was like, I want to make it up, and so I changed my plan. That's what I get for changing the plan. I mean, it still looks pretty bearish to me. What can I say? JX says, why didn't you take your I just explained why. I was more focused on my profits than the strategy. It made me do something a little bit strange. I'll take the fail-safe entry short here, pandas. I'll do it. I'll do it. This is wacky though right now. That's a second entry short. But it's like 5 overlapping bars in a row pretty much. It's hard to capture any of these moves though, to be honest. I'll take the fail-safe entry short if we get it. My last trade, pandas, promise. Last trade of the stream. Because the last one was a dud. Let's take a fail-safe entry short here, pandas. Decent push up. Give me that second entry short. So I can trigger the fail-safe entry short. Just be patient, pandas. Wait for your setup. Wait for your setup. Are we going to get our setup? It's going to make the move without us, huh? Don't let the FOMO take over, pandas. Stay calm. Stay patient. Everything's going to be okay. $12 more likes until I do an all-day stream, basically. Until I turn green. Or end the day. 12 more likes? Do you guys have it in you? Ooh. Ooh. Are we getting our setup? I don't know, pandas. Are we getting our setup? Ooh. We gotta break a previous candle's low. Hasn't quite happened yet. And oh, still have a chance. Break that previous candle's low. I'll take it. Ooh, I don't know if we're gonna get it though, pandas. The market is not giving us our setups, and when it does, it traps us. So many traps today. Oh, we might get it though, Pandas. Oh, we need to break the previous candles low. Do I want the outside bar reversal? It's a huge risk right now. I'm not gonna take it if it triggers like this. I'll tell you that much. It's a little. The pullback's a little deep. A little deeper than I like. Actually, the second inch short works out pretty nicely. In all honesty. It's beneath the 20 MA. This trade truly makes no sense. This trade truly makes no sense, but I'm tilted out of my mind. This trade makes no sense, Pandas. Don't copy my trades. Don't do it. Don't do it. I'm telling you, don't do it. I thought I'd get some sort of setup. Market said no setup for you. Double bottom, perhaps. I need a higher low now at least. I need some evidence of a reversal here. Can't just take it off of this bounce. Higher low. Second you short here. We're at 41 likes. I think I gotta jump in the limit order here, Pandas. Like, I don't think I'm gonna get a trade unless I do a limit order trade. Higher low here. I think I gotta trade the limit order. It's a limit order market. Pushes down. We're gonna try to play this range here. We're gonna try to play this range.
Target filled. Target filled.
Skunked it ultimately. I just don't get why it does that. Right off the 20 MA. I can't hold that. My paws are too weak, pandas. I got paper paws. My cojones are too weak. I got paper cojones. The risk was a little too large for me. I didn't like that risk. I love the reward, but I didn't like the risk I was holding for that trade. Right, look at the 5 minute. It's just completely overlapping. That's why I was just trying to come back to the top of this range. I mean, my premise ultimately was correct. I got shook. I got shooketh. Shook me out, pandas. I'm gonna have a tighter grip on my bamboo stick. Get all this bamboo. Also, it's a first reversal. Like, it's not even a high or low. It's just like the first reversal, just right off of that. It's not a trade I typically take. So, basically catching a falling knife. But now we're at the top of the range, kind of where I thought I was gonna go. I just got shooken out. I got shooken. Yeah. I'll admit when I'm wrong. I'll admit when I messed up. It's unfortunate though. Getting a little bamboo there, I guess. It is what it is, pandas. I just didn't like the risk I was holding. Plus, it wasn't even a good setup. It wasn't a high or low. This is a first bounce. I just saw an opportunity for a range play. High or low now. Quite far up now. Of course, I have to wait for a second entry long off the 20 MA at this point if I want to go long. Been seeing this a lot these days. Expanding patterns almost every single day. It's quite frustrating. I mean, if I see them, I should just walk away, right? It just means it's gonna be too hard for me. I'm not good in these. I'm not good when it's like these big expanding patterns. Pretty much gets knocked back down. We have a higher low now off the 20 MA. Trading range indicator doing its magic right now. Give me a trap, I'll take it, bandits, I'll do it, I'll take the trap, give it to me. Everything in me tells me to go short here, actually. Yikes. What do I do? Pandas. This is tough. Expanding pattern or breakout. Range or breakout. Currently just continuing the previous move up. The pullback was just this one bar. And it is what it is. I don't even get a setup to go long. Unfortunate. I think I would have held this trade. I don't know. Alright, it's going all the way up to the top of the trading range. Trading range indicator, marking this trading range way back here. Way over here, marking this trading range. And now we're coming back to the top of it. Trading range indicator. The most mysterious indicator ever. Magic, it's like magic, it's like sorcery. I mean, it just basically told us, basically every time frame, right? 5,000 tick chart also trading range indicator. 5-minute chart also trading range indicator. This is why I was wanting to go long, because I recognized the trading range indicator was telling me we're at the bottom of trading range. Want to move down. Impossible to catch these moves. Unless you're limit order trading. Which I may just buy somewhere down here. I may just attempt it. Pandas. Am I crazy to do so? Should I just buy? Whoa. The risk is too huge. Look how big this risk is. Can't take it. Even if it reverses, I can't take it. overshoot, possibly leading to an undershoot. I don't know. What do I do? I mean, look at this move down. That's crazy. It's crazy just to go long against a move this strong down. It's just, that's why ranges are so crazy and difficult. Straight up just bounce. V bottom here. Why not? We're in the twilight zone right now. Sure, why not? I was looking for another push down, like 2 legs down, but I don't think we're even going to get that. Also, some symmetry would be nice, right? Overshoot to undershoot. Makes sense to me. I mean, look at the 5,000 tick. This is how choppy we've been. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 bars overlapping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bars overlapping on the 5-minute chart. Whoo! Ric Flair, whoo! All right, my next trade pan is I will hold a stop loss. I will trade it into the stop loss. It's going to be a win or lose. No skunking. Only problem is, this is so confusing. I don't know any good trades right now. Literally V bottom right now. This is literally V bottoming. Higher low on the 5-minute chart. I'm not sure if it means much, but it's a higher low. Keep making lower highs. Sure, why not? This trade is as good as any other trade, in my opinion, in this wacky market. I will hold this. Either we win or we lose. That's it, pandas. And let's say we're going to lose. What was I thinking, pandas? Worst trade of my life. Oh my gosh, in one single candle. How do you outside bar reversal on me like that? Goodness gracious, why? That's why you don't trade in trading ranges, pandas. That's why you don't trade in the middle trading ranges. So annoying. Pandas, so annoying. Now am I tilted? Now I want to take another trade. Outside bar reversals in one single bar. Jeez. Puts me in, takes me out in one bar. Sure, there's a trap trade to the downside. Interesting. Alright, one more try, pandas. One more try. Oof. Such a big quality difference in the candle. Dumb trading. Are we back on the down cycle here? On this move in this trading range. Retesting the bottom of the trading range now. Alright, I'm holding this. I don't care, pandas. Ride or die. Ride or die, pandas. We're riding or we're dying. Why am I even trading this market right now? It's so choppy. Look at the 5-minute chart. I mean, like, this is the definition of chop. Why am I in this trade? Why am I even trying to trade this market right now? Why am I even trying, pandas? It's just silly. I should just stop. Is this it? Are we gonna actually a big push up here? Is it actually possible? Okay. I'm gonna hold my stop loss here this time. And it is what it is. Yeah, it's not looking good. Oh man, I don't know. It's tough. Everything's telling me to get out of this trade. Everything is telling me to get out of this trade right now. Just flatten it. Oh man, everything's telling me to get out of this trade. Like every fiber of my being is telling me to get out of this trade right now. Ah, it looks so bad. I should get out of this trade. I see a little green giving me hope. It's gonna be false hope, I feel like. Yep, false hope. Yep, false hope. Yep, false hope. I saw a little green. I thought there was some chance, but yeah, man, I'm out. Oh, pandas, this is terrible. It is what it is, though. That's what happens when you trade in a trading range. Middle of a trading range. That's what happens. Impossible to call. Yep, definitely taken out here. Like 1,000% taken out. 1,000,000,000,000% going to be taken out here. Ah, pandas. Why is today so difficult? It is what it is. Watch it bounce right back off. Yep. Bouncing right back off my stop. Makes sense in a trading range. Of course, you want to buy low, sell high. So, people are buying here with limit orders on my stop loss. It just makes so much sense, pandas. Things are so clear once you get taken out. It is what it is, though, pandas. It's tough. I mean, why did I even try to trade today after my big losses? It's tough, really tough. It is what it is. All right, pandas. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. 9 o'clock pre-market show, 9:15 on mainstream. Hope to see you guys there. Remember, there's news tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Just be aware of that. It's could be big news, could not be big news. Not sure. But just mark your calendars. Make sure you know that it's there. Pandas. With that being said, bad trading today. It is what it is. I mean, the market. This market cycle, I got to get better at trading the super choppy. I got to get better at trading this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 overlapping bars. I got to get better at trading these super choppy trading ranges. And until I get better, I got to stay away from them. Got to stay away from them. It is what it is. It's all my fault. I take 100% responsibility, but I will say the conditions are very difficult. It is what it is. Pandas, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hope to see you guys there. And as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.